We use tape measures for certain reasons. Measuring wood. 6 feet? I definitely need over 5 feet. I won't be able to do 10 footers. So 8 footers, 10 feet. 10 feet's going to be a waste. So hopefully they'll make a 6 foot, 5.5 feet. Does this tire look like you got low air? This is a pressure gauge. Well, let's get some air going. Yeah, there's my gauge there. It was at 22. Just goes off like that. We'll be done in a few. I am thinking about, and I am going to be doing about, yes indeed, we're going to lay down some stones, wall stones around the snowball bush, get the job done, and get some wood and make my deck a little bit more secure. How do I get quick capture to go? Wouldn't you hit quick capture the second time and the camera will go on immediately? I gotta ask DJI. The people there may know more than me. Those days. Look at here. These lights never came on for a good year. They're back again. Could it be my gas cap? Could it be just the oil in the engine? I ran my car. I don't know what they are. I did a throttle relearn yesterday. Yes, indeed. And that throttle relearn, my car's running smooth and this issue comes up. You can never have it, one way or the other. So the DJI Action 3, if it's not going to do that quick start on the fly, it's going to be my review camera. Oh man, that took like 6 seconds to start. Not good, DJI. Not good at all, man. I feel like I need to, maybe go back to GoPro if this is the way things are with DJI. And don't blame me. I didn't pay full price for this camera. Now GoPro, I have a softer shutter button to press. I don't go diving. I never asked for a diving button on a DJI Action 3. Don't get me wrong, people. I just tell it like it is. Nobody else out there is going to say that to you. I'll tell you exactly how I feel about a camera right on the spot. You may like it, you may not. This gas station is the cheapest around. He's now $3.69. So does that mean my other gas stations $3.79 when they went up to like $3.47, $3.57? We'll see when we head back. It works! Quick capture! What did I do? I think I turned it on. I think I hit shutter button and then I turned it off after the beeps, and then the next time it went on under 5 minutes. That's not how this camera should work. It should work when you hit quick capture, and the next one it should go definitely to quick capture. I just love this, man. You never know with DJI. Come here because it's a lot quieter, a lot neater at Lowe's. I was expecting to pay 10, and here's the board right here. That's what I'm going to use. I made a decision to go for 2 by 8 by 8 at $11.18. So that's going to be at least 16 boards. I'm shocked that this was $11.18 a board. Normally this would be a lot more than $11.18 a board. Now, the sun is beaming in my eyes and I see immediate overexposure to correction. So yeah, Don't expect the first second of the video to be good. I got wood! So cheap! I gotta go back for more. But I didn't take the correct measurements of what I need. So when I put this back, I'm gonna do my measurements and come back for the rest. It's a love and hate relationship with cameras. If you don't love him, you're gonna hate him. If you don't hate him, you're gonna love him. I can't read. MTA New York City bus, Wi-Fi USB 9505, clean air hybrid electric bus, high voltage, safety's our goal. Metropolitan Transportation Authority, can you read all that? I can. Oh man, how about now? We all want to read things. Can you read that license plate? I sure can. Can you read that sticker just above the left tail light? It says turning. People are cruising. Let's take a look at what it says. Get a real nice close-up look at the license plate. See it? Turning. People are cruising. Vehicle zone. Oh, the sun in my eyes at 373, so gas did go up from 347, 357, 373, like that. It's like 10 minutes later since I turned my camera on. And I'm carrying my wood out. As you can see, my deck right here. Taking some measurements as I go along. Yeah, I still got more wood to go. I just need 6 more. I'm getting 10 more pieces because I know I could use all 10 pieces and take care of the whole backyard the way I want. So here I am, after a nice long day of, doing some gardening work, something I needed to do. And when I went to Lowe's, I said, wow, that's really cheap for that wood. And, oh man, I went back for a second trip. Guess what? I got to go back one more trip. Why? I ran out. It looks like I need for 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 6 more pieces. I needed 30 pieces of 8-inch wood. Amazing. I got one piece here that's going to go to the end. And I am going to lift those blocks. I'm going to get more blocks like so. Go around the snowball bush. Let me just bring the camera front so this way you can see what's happening. I got 2 layers back there. I could take a layer off and move those to there. I still got to nail this down. It's not nailed down. And I'm going to see what I can do to make it secured. But everything over here is nailed down, but the back boards and the boards by the pine tree. What I've done is I cut out the area over here. I made it bigger so the pine tree can breathe. You don't want to suffocate it. So what I am going to do is now get some more blocks and make a nice circle. Maybe a oval, maybe a square circle. I still got to nail those down. Figure I need to put some boards underneath it so I can keep it level. I did this over here, which I'm okay with. I got the border nice and done once again. Oh yeah, that kind of looks like a little sinking in there, but I will put a board going across over there on the short boards. But at least I got my garden looking the way I like it. Is that sun right here? Giving a little issue at the beginning. Right here. It's right here. I'm happy. I'm going to look for Danny Black's small rig, external microphone, and ask him again, how long exactly does that thing run for? Just leaving it on and off. So that's what I say. I got to go order a new pair of glasses. I got a scratch. And I think Scott's Review, he's got some polishing, diamond polishing compound, which I could use. Just a drop. Baking soda and water will get scratches out of glass. Did you know that? I had to look it up. Wabi Glasses says a little bit, not a lot. It's going to take the outer coating off. So I'm going to give it a shot before I go ahead and get another pair of glasses. Have a great day, people. Have a great day.